What's going on, guys? As you can see, it's your boy Stance Chaser here. Today is a big day, but not really. But it's a big day for me, you know? I've been waiting for this for, I would say, almost 2 months. Almost 2 months is a good estimate. I would say almost 2 months, you know? Since I placed the order. And then since I saw it the first time, you know, so that's probably like, I've been waiting for like 2 years. But yeah, realistically, 2 months. I've been waiting for 2 months. Right now, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pick it up, then I'm gonna open it, and you guys gonna see what's up. I mean, you guys looked at the title, right? So, wait, the title down here. You guys looked at the title, so you should know already what we're doing. But, yeah, we're gonna go open it and see what's up. It's lit, guys. Y'all know what it is. Let's go. Can't show y'all my Addy, but you know the vibes. Y'all see the vibes. So I just had to pull up on my homie Mark. Thank God he don't work today, so he's gonna help me. Whatever I gotta do, get it done. Why you look so chopped early morning, cuz? You just woke up.
Nigga, it's 1:52.
Chill. Yo, look what I got, son.
What you did? You got the car like
After months. Yo, don't make it hot for the vlog, alright? And we ain't even gonna talk about that right now. See, guys, don't be like me and cut towards you. That's how you cut yourself.
That's funny.
Let's go. Been waiting for this for so long, son. Finally, my nigga. Oh, this is gas. No way. No fucking way, son. This shit is OT as fuck. Damn, I wanted him to get my logo on this. They ain't get to do it. I'm tired. Yo, this shit feels OD and it's not even in the car.
Alright, here we are. I want to see that shit installed.
Hold up. I'm about to put that shit in the 28. I'm about to act like it's on your car. I'm gonna take a flick. Rubber bands are you gonna put on this shit? They went hard with this packaging.
Nigga, use the scissor.
I ain't giving up, son.
That's the problem.
Yo, son! No way. This shit is OD, son!
Nah, get that shit out of here.
That shit is so sad. Hold up. This shit go like this. I'm bugging out. Yo, I can't even turn this shit. That shit is OD.
You don't got enough leverage, that's the thing.
No, I know that. This shit is crazy, man. First thoughts on this bitch. Guys! Hold up, let me get my phone out the truck real quick. This nigga ain't even let the beam warm up. He said, yo, we out. We gotta go see the shit on.
I drive slowly till it warms up. So this.
Yo, let me see.